Hi and welcome to the second tutorial of Himagiri Thanaye, the Keerthanam, which I was teaching in my previous tutorial in the raga Shudha Dhanyasi. So let's not waste any more time. Let's zoom in. The raga lakshana. Let's discuss the raga lakshana. Always you should discuss the raga lakshana. Okay. Generally you'll be sticking on to the raga. Remember, raga lakshana is not just meant to be memorized. It should be applied. Alright, raga lakshana of Shudha Dhanyasi, 22nd Melagartha Raga Janya. Yeah, Shudha Dhanyasi is the Janya Raga of 22nd Melagartha Raga. Khara Hara Priya. It's an out of a raga. Rishabha Daivada Varji Raga. Upanga Raga and the Swarasana Shadja, Sadhana Gantara, Shuddha Madhyama, Panchama, Kaishi Nishada. Let's sing the Arohana and Avrohana. By the way, if you have not practiced the first tutorial, how are you gonna learn this one? So go prepare that, practice that, and get set with that thing. And if you are okay with that tutorial, that portion, the Pallavi, which I have explained in detail, if you are okay with that, you can learn this. Here I will be teaching you the Anupallavi as well as the Charan. That's quite easy thing, I think. Alright. The Arohana. Sa ga ma pa ni sa. Avarohana. Sa ni pa ma ga sa. Anupallavi starts like Rama Vani Samsevida Sakale. Two sangadis. Rama Vani Samsevida Sakale. Let me explain. Ra Gandhara Mandima Gandhara Samiga Gamaga Samaga Ra Gama Samagama are Yanisuras. Ra Ma Pasani Bani Pa Ma. I have explained about this particular Sangadi, this usage in my first tutorial. Second Sangadi of Himagiri Thanaye. Rama Va Panisa. Here Nishad I gave a Gamaga Pasani like in the Arohana. Va Nisam Nisa Va Nisam Pasani Nisa Va Nisam. Then Se Sani Nisani Se Sani Nisani Se Vita Pa Ma. Madhyama is having a slide from Panchama. Pa Ma Ta Sakale Saka Pasani Saka. Actually that Nishad is having a slide from Shadja. Pasa Sani Saka Le Sani Sa. Hammer advanced. Sani Sa. Let me sing the first Sangadi. Rama Varnisam Sevita Sakale. The second Sangadi. Rama Same like in the first. Gama. Then Pasani Bani Pa. I increased the speed. Rama rather than Rama Pasani Bani Pa Ma. Then Vanisam Panisani Pamaga Zagama Panisa. Panchama plain. Nishad is having a Gama. Pasani are the Aniswaras. Pa Pasani Sa Shadja plain. Panisani Pamagaza Panisani. Nishad is having a slide from Shadja. Sani Panisani Pama Gasa Magasa. Gandhar is having a slide from Madhya. Gasa Gama. That Gandhar is having a Gama Gaf starting from Shadja. Samaga are the Aniswaras. Gama Panisani Pamagasa Gama. Rama Varni Sam Sevita Se Pani Pani Se Vita Nini Vita. If needed, you can give Hamilton, no problem. Panchama should be the Ansura, that's it. Ita sakale. Here, sakale, sakale, saka, saka. Shadja Gantara. Saka, sakariganisa. Sakale, sakariganisa. Is it okay? I don't feel it okay. There comes the Rishabha. Rishabha is totally not a part of this raga. So don't sing a usage which is like which is a problem. Actually, a problematic usage should be avoided. Example. This one is the example. Sagal, sagale. That's a problematic one. Sakale. This is okay because saka, samaga, saka, gani, samaga, gani, saka, ale. Always think when you get an Audava raga to deal with, because that's a really complicated one. The second sangha goes like this. Ramavani sam sevita sakale. Then there comes three sangati. Raja Rajeshwari Rama Sahodari, having three sangatis. Rajara. That's actually Gamaga, sorry, Ganthara having Gamaga. Gaga sa Rajara Samaga Maga Sasa Rajara Jeshwari Nisa Nisa Saniba Nisa Nisa. Starting Nisa is having a slide from Shadja. Sanisa Nisa Ga Nisa. Let me sing that again. Rajarajeshwari J Nisaga. Nishad is having a slide from Shadja, like I said earlier. Sanisaga. Those are the Anisuras. J Ganisa Shwari Saniba Rama Rama Pani Saniba. Nishad is having Gamaga, starts from Panjam. Pasani are the Ansuras. Ra Pasani Ra Rama Sanipa Nipa. That's actually a step down of Nishada. Pani Sanipa Rama Saho Samani Madhima. From there, you can start the slide of Nishada. Mamani Sa Ho Pamagasa That's actually a slide from Pama Maga Gasa, like that. Sa Ho Dari Gama Pani. Only Gandhara is having Gamaga. Samaga are the Ansuras. Dari, like that. So the first sangadi, it's actually the extension. Okay, Raja Rajeshwari Rama Sahodari is the extension of Ramavani Samsevita Sakale. Consider like that. So this is the first extension. The extension is having three sangadi. Raja Rajeshwari Rama Sahodari. That's the first. Now the second sangadi of the extension. Raja Rajeshwari is just a say. I don't know. There's an extra element. Rajara was the sangadi we used in the first extension, but here it's a tiny throw is there. Rajara Rajara Sakka Shadja is being thrown to Ganthara's position. Rajara Jeshwari. Oh, no. Jeshwari. Jeshwari is the copy of the first sangadi. Rajara Jeshwari, Sani Saka, Ganisa, Nipa, Jeshwari. Rama Sahodari is a bit different. Rama Sahodari, Rama Sasani Nipa, Sanizani Panipa, are the Anasuras. Sanizani Panipa, Swara, Sasani Nipa. Sahityam, Rama. Sahodari is repetition only of the first Sangati. Sahodari, Mani, Ma Mani. Nisha is having a slide from Madhyama. Ma Mani Pa Ma. Ma Mani Pa Pa Ma Maga Gaza are the Anitwas. Sahodari, Gama Pani. Let me sing the second song. Rajarajeshwari Rama Sahodari. That's the second Sangati of the extension. Then the third Sangati of the extension. That's actually the copy of, almost that's a copy of the extension of Pallavi. Ambahishwari Sri Lali. That's the same thing here. Rajarajeshwari. Same thing. Nisa Gama Mama Magasa Nisa Magari Kasa. If you want the Anasuras, I will have to explain that again. I have done that once in my first tutorial and I was explaining Pallavi. Here it is. Sanisa. Sorry. Nisani. Nisani. Gamaga of Nishada. Nisani. Sa. Shadja plain. Samaga. Gamaga of Ganthara. Mama Pama. Gasa. Ganthara. It's actually a step down from Madhyama. Magasa are the Anasuras. Sahityam. Raja Rajeshu. Rajara. Then Jeshwari. Jeshwari. Sani Samaga Gani Kasa. Jeshwari. Sani Bashwari. Rama Sahodari also a new one. Rama Sagasani Saniba Sagasani Saniba. Don't feel like, oh, I'm having a bit throat problem, so I will reach only Rishabha. Sari Sani Sanipa Sarisa. Which raga? I don't know. Sagasani Saniba. Okay, if you are tired, if you are not feeling well, no problem. Raga will not accept that. Sagasani Saniba Rama Rama Sahodari. Only there is a copy of Sahodari here in all these. Sahodari is just a copy of the first as well as second and third. Rama Sahodari. Let me sing the third extension. Rajarajeshwari Rama Sahodari. Okay? Alright. Let this be the end of this tutorial, the second part of Himagiri. I'll explain the Charanam as well as the Kalpita Swaram in my next tutorial, the third part. Okay, so keep on practicing. See you in my next tutorial.